update on my key. Alright guys, I'm quite disappointed. It's been 6 months, actually a year now, but switches on this keyboard, it's not really durable. All of them are now double inputting whenever I press just once, and it's not a pleasant experience. The LEDs or the RGB, it's not really you can control. It has different effects, but it's not really good, and it's very dim now. And my U, it's the LED on it is broken. I can't do anything about it. Well, after diving into the deep hole of keys, I'm going to buy stuff, and that stuff is switches. The cool kids in the community, they call them switchers. I don't really know, but mine is a purple echo demon thingy, and it's pretty good. After replacing the broken Otamus, I was having a lot of fun. The switches are actually responsive and doesn't double input. I only bought 10 switches just to try them, and it's very good. I like it. Now conclusion. The RGB and the switches, they suck very hard, and I would not recommend this for people who are going to use it as is. I would rather recommend other keyboards that are actually better. Just add in like another $10. I can only recommend this to the people who want to have fun. Replacing all those switches, all those broken switches, with new switches that you can buy for $10 more, which is like buying another good keyboard. This is not really a good investment for a keyboard, but it's nice to have fun. Replacing all the switches, lubing them up, and modding your keyboard to your own liking. I think that's the only thing I could recommend it for. It's not really like a plug and play keyboard, so yeah, it sucks. It sucks!